Hi all, I'm Aura and welcome back to HackMyHome. In the previous video, we explained how to control LED strips using the UDP protocol and Hyperion. Today we'll show you how to use Hyperion with your TV to create a fully customized Ambilight effect. We'll go through everything you need to get started, how to connect the video source, and how to configure Hyperion. By the end, together with the LED strips you configured earlier, you'll have a fully working TV ambient lighting system. Are you ready? Let's get started. To build our Hyperion system, we only need a few components chosen carefully. First of all, let me highlight an important point. Hyperion cannot work with images played directly by the TV. You'll need an external video source, such as a TV box, a Sky device, an Xbox or PlayStation console, any device that sends both audio and video signals. Only then can Hyperion capture the colors from the video and synchronize the LEDs in real time. Now, let's take a look at everything we need to build the system. Let's start with the basics. A Raspberry Pi 3 or 4. Then you'll need an HDMI splitter, which duplicates the video signal from the source device, sending one copy to the TV and another to the Raspberry Pi. The USB video grabber. This capture device acts as the eye of the system. It captures the colors of each frame and sends them to Hyperion. Of course, you'll also need video cables, LED strips, and a suitable power supply. 5 volts with enough current for all the LEDs and the Raspberry Pi. It's better to have a bit of extra power or use 2 separate power supplies. And with these components, we're ready to connect everything and set up Hyperion. Orion, it's your turn now.
Thank you, Aura, for your introduction. Now that we have all the components, it's time to install the LED strips on the back of the television. I recommend using addressable RGB LED strips, such as the WS2812B or similar models, with a density of 144 LEDs per meter. They're perfect for achieving a smooth and precise Ambilight effect, just like in professional systems. Start from the right side of the TV, leaving a small gap for the data input cable. Then continue along the top edge and go down along the left side. If your TV is very large, you can also complete the perimeter by adding the bottom side. Make sure all the arrows on the LED strip point in the same direction. That's the data flow, and if you reverse it, nothing will light up. Attach the strips to the back of the TV using double-sided tape, and make sure the corners are perfectly aligned at 90 degrees. For the corners, cut the strip and connect the 3 wires, 5 volts, GND, and data with short, solid pieces, keeping everything neat and tidy. Connect the LED strip to the ESPHome module we prepared in the previous video, or to any LED strip controller supported by Hyperion. Then, attach it to the back of the TV using double-sided tape. Use a suitable 5-volt power supply. Each WS2812B LED consumes about 60 milliamps at full white brightness, so 144 LEDs draw around 8.64 amps, roughly 45 watts. And now, let's see how to install Hyperion. Let's move on to the most important part, installing Hyperion. Hyperion is the software responsible for capturing the video signal from the grabber and controlling the LED colors in real time. The installation is quite simple. We can do it directly from the terminal in just a few minutes. First, insert the USB grabber into one of the USB ports on the back. First of all, let's make sure the Raspberry Pi is up to date by running the update command followed by upgrade, and wait for the operating system updates to complete. Then we install Hyperion with a single command. Open your browser and go to the official website. In the download section, find the version for Raspberry Pi. Copy the command provided and press enter to run it. As soon as the installation is complete, we can access Hyperion's web interface to configure it. And now it's Aura's turn.
Good. Now that we've installed Hyperion, let's move on to the practical configuration of the system. In this phase, we'll connect the cables to the USB grabber, initialize the video signal, and configure the LED strip in the Hyperion control panel. Connect a video cable from the source, for example, a TV box or a Sky device, to the input port of the splitter. Connect a video cable from output 1 of the splitter to the input of the USB grabber. Connect a video cable from output 2 of the splitter to the input of the television. In the capture menu, make sure your USB video capture device is selected. Set the resolution to 1024 by 768 and the frame rate to 30 frames per second. Leave all the other parameters at their default settings. In the LED hardware menu, make sure your LED strip is selected with the correct network details and LED count, as explained in the previous video. In the layout menu, you need to specify how the LEDs are arranged and how many LEDs you placed behind the TV. And with that, our Hyperion system is finally ready. We've connected everything and configured Hyperion to recognize the incoming video signal and control the LED colors in real time. Now the LEDs behind the TV react in perfect sync with the images on the screen, creating that stunning Ambilight effect that completely transforms the viewing experience. You can also adjust the sensitivity, brightness, and even add custom effects directly from the Hyperion control panel. And if you want to take it to the next level, in an upcoming video, we'll show you how to connect Hyperion to Home Assistant, to turn the LEDs on or off, or change modes with a single voice command. Please do not forget to give a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell, so you won't miss the next experiments with ESPHome, Home Assistant, and the whole world of DIY smart home automation. See you next time.